Okay, this is the 1958 Mobile Maid GE portable dishwasher getting ready to fire up. Gonna be for the first power rinse, so all you have to do is close it, plug it in, the water's on, and the timer will automatically kick in just a second or two or three, 4. There it goes. So now it's starting to fill. It has 2 power rinses, a main wash, and then 3 rinses after that, and then it dries. Total running time is about 30 minutes. Water just cut off. So the way this particular dishwasher works, the motor runs in one direction with the impeller spinning to throw the water up and around what they call the GE power scrub water, and then the motor will stop like it does right now, and it will reverse direction, and that will power the power drain. And there you have the first power rinse.